To generate an image, simply press Create New Image and write your prompts of what you want to generate. For this example, we're going to generate a photo of the sunset on the beach. And simply press this button and your image is being generated. There you go. To add the image to the canvas, simply click the image and press Add to Canvas. To delete it, press the Delete button on the layer to the left here. You can also add the image by pressing it and dragging it onto the canvas wherever you want. To get the prompt back from the image, press the Get Prompt button here, and now you have it. And you can generate more images. You can also generate more images at a time. So let's say we want to do 2 images at a time. And you can also change the model to get slightly higher quality or change how it's done. So for this, we're going to use the Flux Dev model as it's a bit higher quality. And we're going to generate new images again. And as you can see, all our requests are generating at the same time. And we can also generate images in other resolutions. To do that, we need to shift this box as it decides what the resolution of the image we are generating will be. To do that, simply press the Move tool, and now you can move both this box. You can also move images and everything on the canvas. And then if you use the resize slider right here, you'll be able to set the resolution to whatever you want. And you can read what the resolution is right here. So let's set this to a landscape size image. And we're just going to move it over here. And we'll generate 2 new photos of the sunset on the beach. And as you can see here, our other images have also been generated. We can place them on a canvas here. By the way, if you want to remove this outline, you can simply just exit the action by pressing the Change Action button, and it will be a lot more cleaner. So one of the great things with Visually is that you can use it kind of as a mood board and really get your ideas onto the canvas itself. So now we have a lot of images here that we've generated. And then next up, we are going to edit one of these images.